AMD Ryzen 5 5600X is an excellent processor that offers great all-around performance at a very reasonable price. It's the last generation of processors for the AM4 platform and can save you a lot of money without sacrificing computing horsepower. Based on AMD's Zen 3 architecture, this CPU is capable of speeds of up to 4.6 GHz without overclocking, and there are 6 cores and 12 threads to handle as many tasks as you can throw at it. Being able to utilize the fastest DDR4 RAM kits on the market is also a bonus. Let's dive into top 5 GPUs for AMD Ryzen 5 5600X in 2025. Number 5, EVGA GeForce RTX 3060 XC Gaming, Best 1080p GPU. The GeForce RTX 3060 has secured its position as the ideal 1080p pairing for the Ryzen 5 5600X, and for good reason. Specifically engineered to target the 1080p resolution, this graphics card is a stellar companion to the Ryzen 5 5600X processor, offering an optimal balance of power and efficiency at this resolution. Leveraging NVIDIA's cutting-edge Ampere architecture, the RTX 3060 delivers an outstanding gaming experience, making it a standout choice for those seeking high performance at 1080p. One of the key strengths of this graphics card lies in its excellent value for money within its class. Equipped with modern features such as ray tracing and DLSS 2.0 technology, users can expect not only ideal graphics quality but also a significant boost in overall performance. The EVGA variant, in particular, stands out by focusing on value while providing all the essential features required for a build focused on performance per dollar. Beyond its technological prowess, this GeForce RTX 3060 boasts a dual-fan design complemented by copper heat pipes and a substantial heatsink. This configuration ensures admirable thermal performance, effectively managing heat dissipation during extended gaming sessions. Despite its powerhouse capabilities, the graphics card maintains a sleek, angular aesthetic. Its compact size further allows it to seamlessly integrate into micro-ATX and mini-IDX builds, providing flexibility without compromising performance. The GeForce RTX 3060 GPU is an outstanding choice for 1080p gaming, excelling in functionality and design for a comprehensive gaming experience. For more specifications and updated price, check out the link given in the description. Number 4, Asus TUF Gaming RTX 4070 OC, Best 1440p GPU. When paired with the Ryzen 5 5600X, the GeForce RTX 4070 OC establishes itself as the ideal graphics card for 1440p gaming. Tailored for 1440p gaming, this powerhouse also boasts high refresh rate capabilities at this resolution, making it an ideal companion for gamers seeking a smooth and competitive experience. Boasting NVIDIA's cutting-edge Ada Lovelace architecture, the card not only meets but exceeds expectations with its performance. Priced reasonably, given its feature set and capabilities, the GeForce RTX 4070 OC is a superb option for enthusiasts. Its support for modern technologies, such as ray tracing and DLSS 3.0 frame-gen technology, ensures that users can enjoy optimal visual quality and performance in the latest gaming titles. The selected RTX 4070 variant goes above and beyond by incorporating an unparalleled PCB design and overclocking capabilities, enhancing reliability and facilitating improved performance for those pushing their systems to the limit. The dual-fan configuration, complemented by 0 decibel fans and a substantial heatsink, ensures admirable thermal performance, keeping temperatures in check even during extended gaming sessions. In addition to its impressive internal components, the card's aesthetic is simple and rugged. This combination makes the GeForce RTX 4070 OC a powerhouse in terms of performance and a welcome addition to any gaming rig. For more specifications and updated price, check out the link given in the description. Number 3, Asus TUF Gaming NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 Premium Pick. The Asus TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 4080 OC is a great higher-end choice for enthusiasts seeking a 4K gaming experience with the Ryzen 5 5600X. Earning the prestigious title of our premium pick for the Ryzen 5 5600X, this graphics card is meticulously designed to tackle even the most demanding games. While being one of the best GPUs for 4K gaming, it exceeds expectations by delivering a superb 1440p high refresh rate experience, ensuring a versatile performance across a spectrum of gaming resolutions. Powered by NVIDIA's latest Ada Lovelace architecture, the RTX 4080 OC embodies the epitome of modern graphics technology. While its premium price tag may raise eyebrows, it's justified by a host of advanced features, including ray tracing and DLSS 3.0 frame-gen technology. These features guarantee optimal visual quality and ensure top-tier performance for today's demanding titles. For more specifications and updated price, check out the link given in the description. Number 2. XFX Speedster SWFT 210 Radeon RX 7600 8GB. Best value. In the value segment, the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 Core Radeon RX 7600 stands out, earning the prestigious Best Value Award in our roundup for the Ryzen 5 5600X. With its focus on delivering outstanding performance at a reasonable price point, this card is an ideal companion for the Ryzen 5 5600X, offering a harmonious balance between cost and capability. Targeting 1080p gaming, the Radeon RX 7600 excels in providing a smooth gaming experience and can impressively handle competitive multiplayer titles at 1440p with ease, showcasing its versatility. One of the standout features of the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 core is its utilization of AMD's cutting-edge RDNA 3 architecture. Thanks to its modern features, this not only ensures a high level of performance but also future-proofs the system. Priced competitively against its NVIDIA counterparts, the Radeon RX 7600 delivers exceptional value with a compelling frame-per-dollar ratio. Modern features like ray tracing and AMD FSR 3.0 enhance the card's value proposition, ensuring optimal graphics quality and performance. In addition to its technical capabilities, the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 variant offers a minimalist design that caters to a broad audience. Its understated and stealthy appearance makes it a perfect match for those seeking a sleek and unobtrusive look for their systems. The dual-fan design contributes to the card's cooling efficiency and ensures a quiet operation, enhancing the overall gaming experience. For those considering compact PC builds, the SWFT 210 core's smaller size adds another layer of appeal, making it an excellent choice for space-conscious gaming enthusiasts. The combination of performance, features, and value certainly solidifies its position as one of the prime options to pair with the Ryzen 5 5600X when looking for the best value. For more specifications and updated price, check out the link given in the description. Number 1. Asus Dual OC GeForce RTX 3050 Budget Pick. If you're on a tight budget, the Asus Radeon RTX 3050 OC Edition is an exceptional choice when paired with the Ryzen 5 5600X, making it the cheapest option in our roundup for this processor. One of its key strengths lies in NVIDIA's coveted Ampere architecture, ensuring a modern and efficient gaming experience. The Radeon RTX 3050 is now even more affordable thanks to recent price cuts, cementing its status as a fantastic option for those on a constrained budget. Despite its cost-effectiveness, the card doesn't compromise on features, incorporating modern technologies such as ray tracing and DLSS 2.0. These features contribute to an optimal balance of quality and performance, enhancing its overall value proposition. The OC Edition variant from Gigabyte focuses on delivering a basic yet fulfilling experience. Its dual-fan design and competent cooling solution ensure efficient heat dissipation while maintaining a quiet operation. Priced at or under MSRP, this graphics card offers outstanding value when paired with the Ryzen 5 5600X. Its minimalistic and stealthy aesthetic adds appeal, making it a perfect fit for simple, understated builds. Furthermore, its smaller size makes it an ideal choice for compact PC builds that incorporate mini-ITX and micro-ATX motherboards, providing flexibility in its functionality without sacrificing performance. For more specifications and updated price, check out the link given in the description. That's our list of the top 5 GPUs for the Ryzen 5 5600X in 2025. Whether you're gaming at 1080p, 1440p, or even 4K, there's a GPU here for every need and budget. Make sure to check the description for more details and updated prices, and let us know in the comments which GPU you're pairing with your Ryzen 5 5600X. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech guides and reviews.